Meaning of glengarry.
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 Glengarry. Glengarry refers to a traditional Scottish woolen cap with a rich history. This distinctive style of hat is typically dark blue or black with a diced band and a turry, a pom-pom, on top. It gets its name from the Glengarry region in Scotland, where it was worn as part of the traditional Highland dress. Today, it is often still worn as part of military uniforms and for ceremonial occasions. The glengarry has become an iconic symbol of Scottish heritage and culture, and it is widely recognized around the world as a symbol of Scotland.